Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo AV. If you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly laptop that balances performance and design, today's review is for you. We're checking out the brand new HP Laptop 15 FD1109TU. Let's see if it's worth your money in 2025. This laptop comes in a beautiful moonlight blue color with a matte finish on the cover and keyboard frame. The base has a textured design that feels premium for this price point. It's sleek, professional, and lightweight, perfect for students and casual users on the go. Under the hood, it runs on the new Intel Core i3-100U processor that's 6 cores and 8 threads, with speeds up to 4.7 GHz thanks to Intel Turbo Boost. This is a solid choice for day-to-day tasks, web browsing, office work, and even some light multitasking. It's backed by 8 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, and a fast 512 GB NVMe SSD, so you get smooth performance and quick boot times. For graphics, it uses Intel integrated graphics, nothing for gamers or creators, but more than enough for streaming, HD video playback, and general use. In terms of ports, you get a solid mix: 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C with DisplayPort and charging, HDMI 1.4b, and a combo audio jack. For wireless, there's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, so you're covered for fast and stable connections. Full-size, soft grey keyboard with numeric keypad. The battery is a 3-cell 41WH Li-ion polymer unit. With the energy-efficient components and EPEAT Gold certification, expect decent battery life for regular use. Think 5 to 7 hours, depending on usage. Charging is handled by a 45W Smart AC adapter. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek and stylish design. Fast SSD storage. Good connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and USB-C. Environmentally friendly materials. Privacy features like cam shutter and MIC mute key. Cons: no dedicated GPU. RAM is single channel and not upgradable. 720p camera, decent, but not amazing. If you're a student, a remote worker, or someone who just needs a reliable everyday laptop, the HP 15 FD1109TU hits a sweet spot. It's stylish, fast enough for most users, and built with sustainability in mind. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.